What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of these Ailihen Foldable Headphones. I don't know how would you guys say this? Ailihen? I don't know. But I-35, I don't really know what this means, but I was really in the market for a new pair of headphones. And I wanted ones that, I don't think these are wireless, but that's okay. I kind of wanted wireless because I get sick of untangling headphones, but it's not a big deal because this one I think has a gamer microphone, and you know, these are the good headphones. So I-35 Colo Refill. I don't know how would you guys say that? I'm not really sure, but collapsible, take everywhere. So these they're really advertising how easy they are for storage. So this is on this side of the box, and then on this side, apparently it comes in many different colors. And then on the back, you just got like a diagram of the parts. And then on this side, you got on how to look. It's how to fold them. It looks like. And then let's see. Then on the bottom, you just got like that kind of stuff. A bunch of like just kind of general information. It looks like you can contact them, which is kind of cool actually. And then made in China, of course. So let's just go ahead and unbox these bad boys. So I don't know where I'm supposed to even start, but all right. Anyways, guys, what it's looking like is that like right up here, it looks like there's somewhere where I can just like grab. Okay, I see. These are actually easy to open. So I will just do it like this. Try not to wreck the box in case we need to return them for some reason, but I think trying to save the box on this one's gonna be a lost cause. But alright, we're getting this. Sorry about this, guys. My tripod is broken. It broke quite some time ago. It hit something really hard and then it cracked, and now my camera is very unstable and it's only getting worse every time I try to film it. So if you guys have any ideas for tripods that I can use to film with my iPhone, let me know in the comments below because I really could use one. So opening it up, oh wow, I like this. Okay, I like this, you guys. So I got the orange color here. I like this color. It may seem weird to some of you. Let's see, what were the other choices of colors I could have gotten? Where I saw it, there were colors on, was that the top? Oh, guys, one of these dang sides showed the colors, but anyway, so here we are. They come in this little plastic thing. Is there anything else in here? So this was just the colors were right here. So these were the colors I could have gotten. And, oh wow, it even actually check marks the one I got. So that's pretty cool. And then in the box, also we have this. So these are like, oh, I really didn't know you needed an owner's guide to use headphones. I didn't know it was that hard to actually like, oh wow. There's actually, looks like there's a lot of stuff I can do with this. Hey, that's pretty cool, you guys. Well, at least I can open up the whole thing like this. So it's actually like a guide on how to use them. I should read this, guys. This is pretty cool, actually. So we get that thing. I'm just gonna put that off to the side for now, and then we also get this. Oh, this is this just all like the warranty information? Yeah, this is just the warranty information. So we get that as well, and then we also get, oh wow, a discount coupon code. I like that, so we can like get all of their products with a discount. So if you get one of these, you also get that. Alright, now we are going to get this thing on the top, and now we can actually take these off. Okay, guys, I like these. This is actually a really good pair of headphones, and they're attached like this, so I can just pull this thingy off. Jeez, you guys, that's getting to be too much. So, here we go. They're definitely not the most expensive quality headphones, but I like these. Looks like you got this thing, so okay, so you can of course adjust the height depending on about what your head size is. I'll probably need to have them like this. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, and then it just comes with your standard cord. So of course these will not work with the stinking iPhone 7 because Apple thought it was a good idea to remove the headphone jack for some reason that I will never understand. But oh, I see. So it actually comes with this. Let me focus this camera real quick. It actually comes with this thingy right here to protect it. So then you can just take your device. This is just looking like it's the standard headphone like socket thingy. So then you just plug it in, and then there are your headphones. But of course, I will have to test out the audio quality in a different video. I can always do, this camera won't focus, I can always do a review on these headphones. If you will actually like me to do a full review, then I will, of course, do that if you guys would let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Sorry if my camera kept falling, but it probably added some excitement to the video. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Peace out.